Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a sales pipeline or a sales ClickUp template within your ClickUp space. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more helpful tutorials like this one. Let's get started. So, what is the purpose of this sales pipeline? The goal is organizational. With a sales pipeline, you can easily track and manage your entire sales process. From lead qualification to deal conversion, you'll stay organized and have clear visibility into your sales efforts. You'll be able to track what needs to be done, what has been completed, and what comes next. This is especially helpful for keeping tabs on finances, budgets, and all the e-commerce activities tied to your sales process. Now, let's head over to ClickUp.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps of adding a sales pipeline template to your space. What I'm going to do is select one of the spaces in ClickUp. From there, you can either create something new or add something to an existing space. I'll be adding a template today. Simply type in sales pipeline in the search bar, and you'll find the sales pipeline management template along with the folder option. While you could add an entire folder, I'll stick to a simple, easy-to-use template for today's tutorial. I recommend reading the description of the template first. This particular template is designed to help you manage your sales pipeline from lead qualification to deal conversion. It's one of the most straightforward options, so I'm going to go ahead and add it to my space. You can either leave the template's default name or customize it to fit your needs. For the importation, we'll import all the data related to dates. Make sure to remap the dates to align with your sales cycle and specific needs. Once everything is set up, click on Import, and the template will be applied to your space. You'll notice a pending status for a few seconds as the template is added to your account. This won't take long, and trust me, it's well worth the wait. Once it's done, you'll see the sales pipeline folder appear in your space. Now, let's take a look at the different components of this template. First, we have the sales pipeline itself, and you'll also see the Get Started document. This document guides you through the different compartments of ClickUp and how the key features have been implemented. It's a great resource to familiarize yourself with the tool. In addition, you'll have access to deals and leads, which are the core components of any sales pipeline. You can easily view these in list views, or even customize them with Kanban boards, depending on how you prefer to visualize your sales data. One of the best things about ClickUp's sales pipeline is the customization options. There are different fields and columns for each deal and lead, so you can track relevant information like deal stages, expected close dates, and more. It's a flexible system that can be tailored to your specific sales process. You'll also find a sales process whiteboard. This feature gives you a visual overview of your sales pipeline, making it easy to zoom in and out to see a larger picture of your entire pipeline. If you like using whiteboards to brainstorm or track sales progress, this view will be especially helpful. If you're managing multiple deals or leads at once, ClickUp's automations feature is a great way to save time. You can automate actions like moving deals between stages or sending reminders to your team. It helps streamline your workflow and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. That was all for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're ready to implement your own sales pipeline in ClickUp. It's a fantastic tool to help you stay organized and close more deals. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more productivity tips and tutorials. I'd love to hear how you're using ClickUp, so drop a comment below and let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to see in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.